I'm Mrs. Amodimo and this is Penny. Welcome to our video. Today we're going to be reviewing adding with tens and ones, and we're going to introduce a new strategy. That strategy is using a hundreds chart to help us add. Let's get started. All right, my friends, I'm going to read the I can statement, and then after I read it the first time, would you read it with me the second time? You will? Fabulous. Here we go. How can you use a 100 chart to count on by ones or tens? Read it with me this time. How can you use a 100 chart to count on by ones or tens? All right, my friends, what do we need to do? Penny, what do we need to do? Penny says we need to write an I can statement. Can you help me do that? You can? Fabulous. All right, my friends, what do I start with? You're right, I start with that word I, and what's the rule about I? It's capital. I can. It's one of my favorite words. Let me hear you spell it. That's right, C-A-N. Use. Right up here, use. A, borrowing from here, 100 chart. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, chart. What digraph goes ch? Smart, 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 smart. C-H, you got it. C-H, bossy R, A-R-T. I can use a 100 chart to count on, to count, C-O-U-N-T, on, how do I spell on? O-N, thank you. On, by, you know this little word, correct, B-Y. By ones, O-N-E-S, or tens. And what you know I'm going to ask, what goes at the end of this sentence? You're right, I need you to tell me. Yes, we need a period. If it's a statement, it always has to end with a period. All right, my friends, let me read our I can statement. The first time, you read it with me the second time. We good? Fabulous. I can use a 100 chart to count on by ones or tens. Read it with me again, my friends. I can use a 100 chart to count on by ones or tens. Now, what does that mean? That's the question. A hundreds chart. Let me grab one. A hundreds chart looks like this. It has the numbers from 1 to 100 on it, and it's something we can use to help us add or subtract if we want to. I'm going to switch to paper and I'm going to explain it in more detail. All right, my friends, so this is a hundreds chart. The way it works is you pick a number. Let's say I picked the number 3. And if I want to add to it, so we're going to start with 3. If I want to add to it and I want to add a number less than 10, I go start at that 3 and I go horizontally across until I've moved that many spaces. So let's do something easy. Let's say 3 plus 4, because I know you know the sum already. Oh, what is that sum? Penny, what's the sum of 3 plus 4? Penny says 3 plus 4 equals 7. So my friends, if we're starting at 3, we've got to count over 4 spaces. So here I go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the number we got. So we're correct. So the sum of 3 plus 4 is 7. Now, what if I wanted to add something bigger? What if I wanted to say 3 plus 30? Let's do a big number. 3 plus 30. Here's what we do, my friends. We go to that same 3. We stay with this. We go to that same 3. I'm going to color it green this time. And we count vertically. Remember, this is vertically down that number of tens. So 3, that would be plus 10, plus 20, plus 30. And that's going to put us at 33. So 3 plus 30 is 33. Now let me draw you a quick pic so you can see that I'm telling you the truth. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 30, 10, 20, 30. All right, my friends, let's count it. And you know I like to start with the ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 13, 23, 33. Now watch, my friends, watch So we're starting at 3. Ready? Here's our 3. Now we're going to count by tens. 13, 23, 33. Let's try another one. 17 plus 5. Let's do 17 plus 5. So my friends, step 1, we find this first number on our hundreds chart. So here's our 17. I'm going to circle it. And then we're going to move 5 spaces. 5 spaces. And I think we're going to use orange this time. So there's my 17. Now we've got to move over 5 spaces. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And when you come to the end, you go all the way back to the other side. 3, 4, 5. So we found our sum. 15 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, equals a sum of 22. Let me draw a quick pic to show you. So 17, that's 110, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones, and 5 is 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to count on. Ready? Here we go. Let's do the ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. We like that answer. Let's try another one. All right, my friends, let's try this one. 45 plus 5. 45 plus 5. Step 1, we've got to go find 45 on our hundreds chart. And I see it right here. I'm going to circle it. So we're starting at 45. All right, I'm starting at 45, and now we have to count up 5. So if we're counting up 5, if it's less than 10, remember we're going to go horizontal. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So using our hundreds chart, my friends, 45 plus 5, so 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 is our sum of 45 plus 5. Let's check it with a quick pick. 45, how many tens? Yeah, 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many ones? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need 5 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, my friends, let's count up the ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're counting on by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So again, we agree with the hundreds chart. We like this one. All right, my friends, I switched to a clean hundreds chart to make it easier to see. This is our problem, 48 plus 30. 48 plus 30. Rule 1, my friends, we need to go find 48 on this 100 chart. So 48 is right here. So I'm going to circle the 48. That's where we're starting. Now, my friends, we're adding 30. 30 is more than 10. It's a big number. So we're going to go vertically. Remember, vertically is up and down. And how many tens are in 30? How many tens are in 30? Penny, how many tens are in 30? Penny says there are 3 10 rods in 30. So I'm going to count down 3 spaces. So I start at 48, that's rule 1. And then rule 2 is figure out if you're going horizontally or vertically. We're going vertically, and then we count down. Here we go. So 48, 58, 68, 78. Count with me. 48, 58, 68, 78. So according to our hundreds chart, 48 plus 30, 10, 20, 30 equals 78. And since I started it, my friends, let's finish my quick pick. 48, 10, 20, 30, 40, plus 8 ones. All right, my friends, let's count the ones first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78. So our quick pick matches what the hundreds chart said. Life is good. All right, my friends, here's our next problem. 13 plus 70. 13 plus 70. So I'd like it if you pause the camera for a second. Take a moment and see if you can solve this. All right, my friends, let's break it down together. 13, 13. Rule 1, find 13 on the hundreds chart. Here's my 13. Rule 2, are we going to go horizontally or vertically? It's a big number. 70 is a big number, so we're going to go vertically. So, how many tens are in 70? You're right, there's 7 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I've got to count down 7 spaces. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, my friends. Let's count it again. Here we ready? So 13, and we got to do 7 tens. Ready? 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83 is our sum. 83 is our sum of 13 plus 70 equals 83. And I'm just going to do the quick pick real quick, my friends. It's just a habit I have, and we know it's 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83. All right, my friends, let's try one more. All right, my friends, here's our next problem. We've got 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8. All right, my friends, rule 1, tell me. Yeah, you got to go find the number. So here's the 16. I found the number. Rule 2, are we going to go horizontally or are we going to go vertically? Remember, if it's number smaller than 10, we go horizontally. So we're going to go horizontally. So we start at 16 and we got to go 8 spaces. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my answer, my friends. Let's do it together. So 16, now we got to count on 8. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So when we count on, when we go up 8 spaces, when we add 8, our new sum is 24. Now, my friends, I'm not going to draw the quick pick on this, but if you ever want to check, always go with the quick pick. It's an easy way to check things. All right, my friends, I wanted to check in. How are you feeling about the hundreds chart? I know it's something different. Remember my rule. You've got to give me 3 days of doing something new before you can tell me you can't do it. Because it takes us usually 3 days for our brains to put this into a new file like a supercomputer, and it learns something new. So 3 days before you tell me you can't do it. So let's check in. All right, my friends? Thumbs up. I got this, Miss Amodimo, because I'm that kind of awesome. Thumbs to the side. I'm working it out, Mrs. Amodimo, and I'm still that kind of awesome. Thumbs down. I'm trying, Mrs. Amodimo, but yeah, I'm still awesome. All right, my friends, do not give up on me. I want to do 2 more and then a challenge problem. So 3 more with me, and then I'll leave you to do what you can on your own, okay? All right, my friends, let's break this down. We've got 60 plus 12. 60 plus 12. Rule 1, what do? You're right. We go find this 60. We go find that 60, and here it is. And then we have to add 12. 12, I got a 10, cooperate, 10, and 2 ones. So my friends, this 10, we've got to do vertically. So let's do that part first. So we're at 60, we've got to go down 1, that's our 10. And then my friends, we got to do the 2. And remember, numbers less than 10, we've got to go horizontally. So we've got to go horizontally for the 2. So now from 70, we got to go 71, 72, 71, 72. So this 12 is our answer. This 12 is our answer. Let me show you that one again, my friends. So we start at 60, and then we've got to add 12. Well, 12 has a 10 and 2 ones. For the 10, we go vertically down 1. And for the 2 ones, we've got to go horizontal 1, 2. What do you think? Penny, what do you think? Penny says she's working it out. I'm okay with that. Let's try another. All right, my friends, here's our next one. 2 plus 84. 2 plus 84. So my friends, we know what we have to do first. First, we got to find this number. And here's my 2. So I found my 2. And now I've got to do 84. It's another big number, but it's got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8 10 rods, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So my friends, for the 10s, for this group of 10s, we've got to go vertically down 8 spots. So here we are, ready? 1 10 rod, 2 10 rods, 3 10 rods, 4 10 rods, 5 10 rods, 6 10 rods, 7 10 rods, 8 10 rods. And now, my friends, we're not done because of these ones. We have to go horizontally 4 spots. So from here, we got to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We found it, my friends. The answer to this one is 86. The answer to this one is 86. And remember, we had to go 2 different directions. Let's try it again. Ready? So step 1, find that first add-in. Now, 84 has got 8 10s, so we've got to go vertically down for 8 spaces. Ready? So we're starting at 2. So 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82. That gets us to 82. And then we have to go horizontally to the right 4 more spaces. So we're at 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So 86 is our sum. If my friends, you wanted to do this and use related facts and switch the order of the add-ins, you can do that. It is allowed. It is a strategy you know. So this would have been a little easier. Let me switch colors. For this one, we'd have started at 84, and then we'd have gone horizontally to the right 2 spaces. 1, 2. We're still going to get 86 because it's a related fact, my friends. But this is the easier way to do it. All right, my friends, here is our challenge problem, and you can see it. It's a challenge problem because we have 1, 2, 3 add-ins, so we've got to add 3 different numbers for this one, but we still do the same steps. Step 1, what do we do? Tell me. You're right, we're going to go find this number 31. So it's right here. Here's 31. This is where I'm starting from. Now, I'm looking at the 40. 40 is bigger than 10, and 40 has, how many 10 rods? Yeah, 4 10 rods, 10, 20, 30, 40. So I've got to start at this 31, and if it's adding 10s, do we go horizontally or do we go vertically, my friends? Am I going to go horizontally or am I going to go vertically? You're right, I'm going to go vertically. I'm going to be going down 4 spaces as I count by my 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. So now I'm at 71. Now from 71, now we've got to go to our third add-in, 20. So my friends, I'm starting at the 71, and I got to go 20. 20 has 2 10s. So again, my friends, am I going to go horizontally or am I going to go vertically? Am I going to go horizontally or am I going to go vertically to solve this? Yeah, you're right. We're going to go vertically. We need to go down 2 more 10s. So from 71, we've got to go down 2 more 10s. 1, 2. And we came to our sum. Our sum is 91. Our sum is 91. Let's check it, right, friends? So we started at 31, and then we had to go down 4 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then we had to go down 2 more 10s, 10, 20. I like it. Let's do it. Ready? 31. First 10, 41. Second 10, 51. Third 10, 61. Next 10, 71. And then these 20, here we go. 2 more 10s. Ready? First 10 in our 20, 81. And our last set of 10s, 91. So we get 91 as our sum. And my friends, I can always do a quick pick to help me check. All right, my friends, no matter what, I don't want you getting stressed by this new strategy. Remember, strategies are there to help us. So if you'd rather draw a quick pick, draw a quick pick. If you think this is awesome and you want to do it this way, that's great. but we're going to keep practicing so that you can get good at a lot of different ways. So when you need to solve a math problem, you're going to know all kinds of ways. Because now we've added one. We know draw quick pick. We know we can use related facts. We know we can use doubles facts if the numbers are close. And now we've just added a fourth one. We can use a hundreds chart. So all you've done is added another way, another strategy to your brain that you can use to add and subtract. That's fabulous. All right, my friends, remember, don't get stressed about this new strategy. Anything new sometimes takes a little while to master. This is Riley and this is Penny and my other dog Atlas is over there. Have a great night. Bye.